We're having a cooking class.
But before the kitchen, we're hitting the local markets. We chose to cook with May because she doesn't work with agencies.
Exactly. You book directly with her, so there's no middleman fee. It makes the whole experience so much more personal. And look at the group. It's just a handful of us, not a massive tour bus.
Then we arrived at her place. It's a stunning open-air kitchen surrounded by greenery. It feels like cooking at a friend's house.
Careful, I'm in the kitchen. We're going to pick some herbs for our cooking class. I'm making blue rice with a butterfly pea flour.
The menu is totally customizable. Whether you're a meat eater or looking for vegan and vegetarian options, May has you covered.
And you hold it, like clean them. You don't want to get them stuck, all everywhere. And then see, for the beginning, if you add them in, you can cut them harder, it won't stuck, right? If it's stuck, it's okay. Now,
And May go.
I like different colors of the vegetables. Green, brown, orange, white, You hold it like that. You want a noodle to cook fast. Look how I hold it. Because next you're going to make your own, stir fry. This is how we use spatula. You see, you flip them. You see that? When you flip them like that, the glass noodle, it touch the hot water underneath with the cube. You see that? It cooks faster.
That's salad.
And one thing they add, it makes it like this. Look at it. Without teaching you.
While Loz went for the salad, I opted for the fried spring rolls. Watching them crisp up in the wok is so satisfying.
Fried fish,
Trying
and you can throw away.
Baba's spring rolls. Well, the papaya salad was a success.
Thai people love the egg like this, see? Crispy on the outside, and you cut it, the yolks, granny, right? No oil, drain it, put on top of the rice.
Next up, the pad thai. I decided to leave out the egg and make it fully vegan. I added each ingredient one by one, and I was feeling like a pro until...
I made a mess. I made a mess.
How's it going?
I'm not sure.
Look at that. Let it sit a little bit. Don't touch the pickle. Before you stir, you have to make sure kind of like that. It's running.
So it's not like scrambled eggs. Yeah.
Okay, turn the gas off. Mix.
Yeah.
Mix it well.
There is nothing like the smell of a fresh pad thai hitting a hot wok, and the result? Bliss.
Next up was the soup.
This is my hot and sour tofu soup. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah.
Hot and sour soup. So tamarind for the sour, chili for the spice.
Oh, and I added lots of chili.
Now for the real labour. No store-bought jars here. We're using the mortar and pestle to smash every ingredient into a fresh, vibrant curry paste.
That was a workout.
Flour into the boiling water. Ta-da! And then give a stir. You look at the pot. You see the color of the water? See it? See it? Natural color, eh?
What is it?
It's some flowers, butterfly peas.
16 minutes to 2. Is it the one with the brushing?
It's purple.
Yeah, I drank some blue, tastes a bit like blue. Maybe a real cool big one.
For the grand finale, I'm making fried bananas. It's a classic Thai street snack, but making them yourself means you can eat them while they're still piping hot and extra crunchy.
While Dan was on a dessert duty, the rest of the team was busy perfecting the sticky rice behind the scenes. The end result? Our handmade curry and that iconic mango sticky rice. The colors, the smells, is 10 out of 10.
Seriously, skip the agencies and book directly with May. All the info is right here on the screen. Support local and eat well. Reached temple number 562 billion. I'm pretty sure the weather's still really hot, really humid.